Great evening folks in Crypto Vault. Today we will talk about FTX token. Might it be said that you are searching for the most recent FTX token forecast for 2022 and then some? You're on the right page. We'll be sharing the top FTX cost estimates. We're investigating this advanced resource for figure out what the specialists need to say about its future value execution and the amount it very well may be worth later on. Quite possibly the most striking thing about the blockchain business is the way that advancements are occurring quicker than the vast majority anticipate. The more individuals enter the digital currency universe, the better the arrangements business specialists discharge. FTX is one more genuine illustration of a blockchain arrangement that offers a few upgrades. In view of crypto analysts offering year cost focuses for FTX token over the most recent 3 months. The typical cost target is $64, with a high expectation of $74 and a low gauge of $64.58. The typical cost focus for FTX token addresses a %62 change from the last cost. Clients of FTX comprehend the advantages it offers. You mustn't need to utilize the crypto subsidiary's exchanging stage prior to profiting from it. FTX has a local symbolic that you can purchase. However, before you do that, you really want to think about FTX token, FTT, cost forecasts for 2022 and the next few years. By concentrating on veritable cost forecasts, you will comprehend how well or ineffectively a coin will perform. This, thusly, will direct you while pursuing venture choices. To guarantee that this video is all around as supportive as could be expected, we won't bounce directly to value gauges or rush you through certain figures. Rather, we will examine the main things you really want to be aware prior to considering FTX token cost forecasts for speculation purposes. What is FTX token? FTX token is the cryptographic money that drives the crypto subordinates exchanging stages called FTX. It fills in as the utility badge of the stage, as well as the essential venture vehicle for customary crypto dealers and financial backers. It exchanges under the ticker image FTT. To see the value in the uniqueness of the FTX token as an advanced resource, we want to appropriately momentarily check out at the FTX stage. FTX is fundamentally a digital money subsidiaries trade that offers prospects, utilized tokens, and over-the-counter (OTC) exchanging. The stage was made by some industry insiders who needed to handle a portion of the devastating blemishes of existing FATS trades. By building a novel stage that offers specific very good quality elements, FTX is attempting to take the subordinates market to a more elevated level. Probably the greatest elements that causes FTX, an extraordinary stage to incorporate clawback anticipation, a brought-together guarantee pool and widespread stablecoin settlement. The stage utilizes a 3-layered liquidation model to carry mingled misfortunes to the base conceivable level. FTX requires a solitary all-inclusive edge wallet as opposed to dividing security across various token wallets. The utilized symbolic component permits brokers to put utilized positions and try not to exchange on edge. FTX was established by Sam Bankman-Fried and Gary Wang in 2017. The two men are additionally the minds behind Alameda Research, which backs FTT. While Bankman-Fried fills in as the CEO of Alameda Research, Wang fills in as the Chief Technology Officer. It is critical to specify here that Alameda is one of the main organizations in cryptographic money exchanging and is likewise perceived as one of the biggest liquidity suppliers. Before we continue on from this part, explaining a couple of things is significant. While FTX is a digital currency subsidiary trade, FTT is the symbolic that controls the organization. We can likewise allude to the token as FTX or FTX token. Going ahead, we can utilize the term the FTX token, FTT, cost forecast from Wallet Investor, assessed that the cost could move to $75.71 in a year. For a long time it assessed a cost of $135.45. Digital Coin's FTX token value expectation was comparable, projecting that the coin could average $69.23 in 2022 and $124.25 in 2025. By going through the segment above, you will see that the cost of FTX token varies consistently, which is the situation with all cryptographic forms of money, safe stablecoins. You can likewise see that the cost of the symbolic changes rapidly, and a huge increase or misfortune can be recorded whenever. It is significant, hence, that you get cost expectations for such an unpredictable resource prior to effective financial planning. In the segments to follow, we will cautiously go through FTX token, FTT, cost expectations from the ongoing year, 2022 to 2030. We will examine estimates for every year independently, so you get a reasonable image of what's in store, assuming you put resources into the coin this year. FTX token, FTT, price prediction for 2022. It is clear from the cost history area that FTT has been on a negative pattern for quite a while. However, the ongoing cost is higher than the initial cost for the year. The coin has not had the option to perform at the level it performed last year, particularly in September when it hit its ATH. Our figure, nonetheless, shows that the cost of FTT will work on somewhat before very long. According to our FTX token cost forecast for 2022, the coin will work on leisurely consistently, however it might drop somewhat at certain places. By the center of the year, June end, FTT ought to be worth around $45.01. The coin will probably drop somewhat in July and August, and afterward get again to close December at around $53.79. FTX token, FTT, monthly price predictions for 2022. Are you wanting to put resources into FTX token in 2022? Then, at that point, you really want to comprehend how the coin is probably going to act in the leftover months of the year. At any rate, it will assist you with timing your speculation appropriately and work on your possibilities, recording a critical benefit. In May, the coin will probably open at $37.58, arrived at a high of $42.94, and close at $40.13. In June, FTT will open at $40.13 and close at $45.05, subsequent to arriving at a high of $48.16. In July 2022, our FTX token cost forecast shows that the coin ought to open at $54.01 and close at $37.52. In August, we project that the coin will open at $37.81 and drop to close at $32.64. The negative run ought to stop in September, as our estimate shows that the coin will open at $32.64 and close at $37.52 per token. In October 2022, FTT is supposed to open at $37.52, arrive at an exorbitant cost of $42.77, and close at $39.97. In November, the coin will no doubt open at $39.97, reach $49.62, and close at around $46.37. In December, our conjecture shows that FTX token will open at $46.37, arrive at a high of $57.56, and close at $53.79. Is FTX token a productive speculation? Indeed, FTX token is a productive speculation. It produced immense returns for financial backers before the negative market set in toward the end of last year. Our expectations likewise show that the cost of FTT will rise, meaning it is as yet a possibly beneficial venture. Is FTX token a wise speculation for what's to come? FTX token seems to be a decent venture for what's to come. Our expectation shows that it will improve with time. Be that as it may, the digital currency industry is currently at the newborn child stage, and all cryptos are viewed as hazardous ventures. You shouldn't view at it as the most effective way to create financial well-being for what's in store. What will be the cost of FTT in the following 5 years? From our estimate, FTT can be worth around $195 in the following 5 years. The cost can be sequential, yet we offer the most reasonable expectations. What will be the cost of FTT in the following decade? As indicated by our